see the comparison. Okay, let's check the gap. We're gonna torque it to spec, at least 18 to 20 foot-pounds. Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to change the spark plugs of this 10th gen Honda Civic. To be specific, it's a 2017 hatchback sport touring. Okay, and the tools that we need for this spark plug replacements are, of course, the spark plugs. Okay, by the way, this is an OEM. I bought it in the dealer. Okay, that's the OEM number. Okay, you can take a closer look at it. Okay, I bought it for 39 bucks each. The socket that we need is 14 millimeter. Okay, it's a magnetic too, and also a torque wrench adapter. And you're going to need this one too. Okay, spark plug gauge gap. You'll need this one just to check for the gap, but I believe this one is already pre-gap. And also we're going to need a pair of rubber gloves, and also we're going to need a 3/8 ratchet and an extension, and also 10 millimeter. Okay, so first thing that we need to do is we have to remove these bolts. Okay, and we need the 10 millimeter socket for that. Okay, loosen it first, and then after loosening those bolts, remove it, put it in the tray, then remove these connectors. Okay, and then we remove the coils. Okay, then disconnect these connections. So we're about to remove the coils. So what you need to do is just put a clean towel here and then organize it in sequence. Okay. For this step is the 14 millimeter socket, magnetic socket, extension, and the ratchet. Okay. I'm gonna pull out the old spark plugs. Okay, there you go. Okay, it's so this is the old spark plug which I pull out. Okay, this is the first one that I pull out. There's 3 more. Okay, but I'm just gonna check the gap for this one, and I'm gonna use a gap gauge tool. It comes with inches or a metric, but we're gonna be using the metric. It's easier. So it's supposed to be 7 to 8 millimeters. That's good. Okay. Okay, I feel the resistance. It's almost 8, so nevertheless, this one is still good, but it's already due for replacement. Actually, all of them are the same. It's almost 8 millimeter. So these are the new ones. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Just be careful when you insert it. You don't want to cross thread it. You can actually feel it. Once like 2 or 3 threads went in, it will go smooth. There's no resistance at all. Okay. Okay, that's a bit tight now, but we're not gonna tighten it yet because we're gonna use this torque wrench adapter. Right now, I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm just going to tighten all of them at the same time. Okay. I'll do the second one. Okay, I already got the torque wrench adapter. We're gonna torque it to spec, at least 18 to 20 foot-pounds. That's 19 foot-pounds. Okay, that's 18.8 foot-pounds. Okay, 19.2. Okay, 18.2. Okay, that's good enough. See, 18.2. So it should be torqued to 18 to 20 foot-pounds. Okay, working it, and now we need to put back these coils. Okay. And lastly, the 4 bolts using 10mm socket. And that's it for this spark plug replacement for this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way, and see you on the next video.